When you use world position offset in your material to transform your actor, as you can see here, and you have this strange issue with shadows or flickering and so on, as you can see here, the shadow is on the ground and here, you can fix it by fixing the bounce scale. So let's first check the bounce. And here we see what's happening. Our actor by default is here, but we are animating its position by transforming it up and down. And when it's out of the scale, out of the bounds, it's making the shadow issues and the flickering and the wrong shadow computation. So you can fix the object, as you can see here, it's fixed the bounce. So by clicking on the object, details panel, type bounce, and there is the bounce scale. So you can set it to 3. Don't make it so much big, so I set it to 3 because I'm fitting the object into the bounce. When I make it 2, it's going outside the bounds and there will be some issues, so I'm setting it to 3 and it's all fixed. So you can use fixing the bounds up here. But if you use foliage, there is another issue, and that's when I'm in foliage, I cannot set the bounds in there because, let me see it here in foliage, and when I click on the object, there is no bounds, no setting bounds. So we should change it in the details of the static mesh itself. So when I double click the object, it will open the details panel, and here you can type bounds, and you have the positive extension and negative extension. So let me show it here. So I will place this extra up here, show the bounds, and the bounce is this big. I can add 50 units to every side, and you can see it's scaling the bounce for all the actors automatically. So if you want to fix it in footage, you need to find the actor itself and do it in its own details panel, or if you have just actor in your scene, you can click on it, type bounce, and fix it here. And there is another issue with the word position offset, and then it's using nanite. So if you're using nanite, you can see it's also causing some shadow issues and flickering on the mesh. So you can use small WPO on wind and so on, but this huge transformation on nanite is not good. So turn off your nanite and keep the bounds big enough to fit your transformed object into it.